Hello, my friends. Good afternoon. Hope you are doing pretty well. Welcome to the presentation of Phase 5. This is the practical component for the bachelor's degree in foreign languages. This project is the collaborative work of the group 62. The main topic is testing and evaluation in ELT. This academic process is developed with the help of the tutor, Flor Marina Manrique Sanchez. Let me tell you a little bit about the focus of this research, which is the base of a specific and important question. How does the question of interactive teaching strategies and the use of synchronous resources influence the strengthening and production skills in learning environments? To fully understand this question, it is necessary to analyze its main components. On the hand, interactive teaching strategies refer to the digital tools that require active participation from learners, which is crucial, and virtual classroom where engagement can sometimes decrease. On the other hand, asynchronous resources include materials that students can access and anytime, providing the flexible schedule that they accommodates different learning paces. Furthermore, the focus is placed on production skills, which are speaking and writing. In language acquisition, producing the language is often more challenging than just understanding. Therefore, this investigation aims to determine the direct impact of technological flexible on active linguistic performance. The main purpose of is to observe if giving students control over their time and providing interactive tools can reduce academic stress and significantly improve their ability to communicate effectively in English. Now, let's listen to our classmates. What do they have to tell us about this poster?
There are three fundamental principles that support this academic proposal. First, the concept of evaluation is continuous and personalized. Traditional tests can cause stress, so this model proposes constant feedback. This method allows the tracking on individual progress over time, which makes learning more flexible and effective for different types of students. Second, the theory emphasizes student autonomy and motivation. Progress is a foreign language in faster when learners are independent. When a student is motivated, academic engagement is higher. Autonomy allows individuals to organize their tasks and study at a comfortable pace, which is an excellent for long-term memory. Third, the transformation of education is possible thanks to technology. Digital platform and asynchronous resource provide new opportunities. These tools are useful for everyone because they break the barriers on time and space, creating a more accessible and interactive learning environment.
Hi everyone, my name is Sofia Reño and I'm going to talk about the methodology. The methodological route of this research is well structured and use a qualitative approach. This approach is selected because the main goals is to understand human behavior and students' reactions in a real learning environments rather than just analyzing numbers or statistics. There are three main procedures implemented in this methodology. First, direct observation is the primary tool. During the English classes, there is a constant observation of production skills, specifically speaking and writing. This process helps to detect the common mistakes, the level of participation, and the areas where students need more assistance during interactive activities. Second is a systematic evaluation is included. This means that assessment is organized and follows a clear plan. Uh, Students' progress is not checked randomly. There are specific criteria to measure how well the language is used in different tasks. And third, there is a control application of digital learning resources, various online tools, and asynchronous activities are selected, integrate into the lessons. The use of this resource is monitored closely to see if they really help students feel more comfortable and confident when they practice English.
Main findings. After analyzing el correct status, important and significant findings are identified. Text results how el project possibly transforms el student experience. El first findings is meaningful and flexible learning. This means that information is not just memorized for a short time. Instead, knowledge connects with real life situations. El flexibility allows el education process to adapt to el individual needs of every person. El second findings is a notable reduction in academic anxiety in traditional class. Time limits can make students feel very stressed. However, when asynchronous resources are used, individuals can work at their own pace. They can pause, reread, and practice a topics multiple times, which creates a comfortable environment. El third findings is an increment in student engagement. Digital and asynchronous tools make activities more attractive. Students expect more interacting with el content becomes el fun is dynamic and interesting. Finally, el fourth finding is an increase in confidence. When experience is low and engagement is gained, communication skills improve. Students feel more secure when they express or reading in English, which is el main goal of this pedagogical.
Well, my friends, now we are going to continue with the recommendations. Recommendation number one. Asynchronous activities are very good and they are so really important to use these activities regularly. Why? Basically because these tools help with independent learning. Students can study at home at their own pace. Recommendation number two, the teamwork is also very important. Students need to practice together. Collaborative learning helps students talk about and communicate different things and more. Recommendation number three, the role of the teacher. totally important and different nowadays. The teacher is not just an instructor. The teacher acts as a guide. The teacher is also a motivator. This help it's necessary to keep students happy and active in class. Recommendation number 4, individual study, and it is so vital because when you are independent researcher, it helps students to learn more and discover new information about different things.